So if you like eating lasagna, try this simple, fast method of preparing it, and you will really enjoy it. So what I did, I started by frying my minced meat. So I have fried my minced meat. See, it has changed to brown. And I have set on my oven. This is my garlic bread. I'm putting it in the oven now while my minced meat is being fried. So I'm taking it to the oven. While that is going on, I'll apply some fat on this bowl, because this is where I'm going to build up my lasagna. So just apply it thoroughly. So my next step is for me to add in my powdered lasagna, because my meat is ready. That's it. So I'm going to give it a nice stir. I mix everything together. It's just like I'm frying it with no water. And again, I fried my minced meat with just a little bit of fat. You can use cooking oil with no water, and a pinch of salt. But the salt is optional if you don't want a lot of salt, because the powder is mixed. It contains some salt, so now I have mixed it well. The next step is for me to add my water. I'm using half a liter of water now. I'll put it 2 times while I stir. So I'm putting the rest of the water. And this is me mixing it together. So my garlic bread will be in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. It will not take long. So I did it simultaneously so that this one will be cooking while the bread is baking, and then I will serve it warm together. So the next step is for me to add my milk. This is 7 deciliter of milk. I'm going to pour it 2 times. You can pour it 3 times. It depends on the pan that you are using. If it's too small, you have to add it bit by bit so that it doesn't mix it on the floor. So I'm adding again the second time. I'm using 7 deciliter of milk, liquid milk. And I'm cooking on medium-low heat. So this is the last part of milk in there. So as I cook on medium heat, it will not get stick under and it will not get burnt. And again, I need some powdered garlic. I'm adding just a tablespoon of powdered garlic. If you want it really much, you can put 1.5 spoons. It depends on you. And I'm also needing, you see how the color is changing? I'm using some pepper, black pepper precisely, just a tablespoon. If you want it really hot, you can put 1.5, or if you really want the flavor of the pepper, you can put 1.5. So I'll allow it to cook together for a while, and then I will start the next process, which is for me to just build it up with my pasta. This is my pasta. So I will cook it for a while. I'm almost done. So now I am at the last layer. So I'm just pouring everything. So this is the fourth layer of my lasagna molding. So first I started with my prepared minced meat, and then I added my pasta until this last layer. So while my meat was being prepared, I also prepared some salad. You know, lasagna also go with some salad, so it will be served with my garlic bread salad. So the last part is for me to add my cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice, it's good to go. And after this process, I'm going to take it in the oven for 30 minutes. So food is ready. You see my lasagna, it came out so well. So I am going to serve it. With some salad. And my bread. So it doesn't take a lot of time to prepare. See how it is looking? Very nice and delicious. And it's eating time. And my lunch is ready.